Welcome to the world of nutrition supplement private label manufacturing. Get to know Corliv Holding, the industry's leading formulator and manufacturer in Europe. Our head office is located in the heart of Europe, in Budapest. The Corliv team works every day to provide its partners with services in line with the latest dietary supplement trends. With over 20 years' experience, Corliv Holding offers a full service in the private label market of nutrition supplementation. What do we mean by full service? Research and production development, unique formulation, contract manufacturing, individual label design, specification and packaging. All services provided by Corliv Holding meet the legal requirements of the European Union. Our mission is to provide our partners with the most convenient business cooperation possible. The process begins with your idea and goes through the new product developers, graphic designers, to the production line, and finally to the shelf of your shop. Let's take a look at where the leading brands of the European food supplement market are produced and where your brand will be created soon. The products that we manufacture include powders, proteins and gainers, tablets, capsules, liquids, and nutrition bars. As a premium distributor and private labeling company, Corliv Holding is trusted by more than 200 brands worldwide. What Corliv Holding offers is expertise. This is achieved by comprehensive quality control, multiple workflows with high quality, professional machines, and highly skilled colleagues. Our factory also has a plant specialized in the production of cosmetic products, which enables the contract manufacturing of functional cream products. Choose Corliv Holding as your private label manufacturer, and you will have our full support from the first step to the last. You dream it, we make it happen.